LiFi is light fidelity, is a bidirectional, high-speed, and fully networked wireless communication technology, which is similar to Wi-Fi. LiFi is a transmission of data through illumination by taking the fiber out of the fiber optics by sending data through a LED light bulb that varies in intensity faster than the human eye can follow. LiFi is the term some have used to be labeled the fast and cheap wireless communication system, which is the optical version of Wi-Fi. The term LiFi was coined by University of Edinburgh professor Harold Hash during a TED Talk in 2011. Hash envisioned light bulbs that could be as wireless routers.
So what happens when I switch on that light? As you would expect, it's a light, a desk lamp. You could put your book beneath and could read. It's illuminating the space. But at the same time, you see this video coming up here. And this is a video, high-definition video, that is transmitted through that light beam. You're all critical. You say, ha ha ha, this is a smart academic doing a little bit of tricks here. But let me do this. Once again, still don't believe? It is this light that transmits this high-definition video, this split screen.
In this section, let's talk about more benefits and future expectations of LiFi. As lab test has shown that LiFi can hit speed 100 times faster than current Wi-Fi system. The system uses visible light communication between 400 and 800 terahertz to transport message in battery code. Visible light cannot pass through the wall, which makes LiFi a much more secure system and less susceptible to be influenced. While the system seems promising, it won't likely replace Wi-Fi entirely, at least not anytime soon. Instead, researchers are now looking to revolutionize devices with LiFi to use two wireless systems together to optimize speed and security.
In the future, LiFi will be used as a part of intelligent transport system. The car light will be exchanging data from each other to prevent the car accident before it happens. And LiFi also can be used in the airplane because the fuselage will isolate the unnecessary interference of LiFi, so the customer can download many movies on the airplane.
First, project management is project charter that we learned from lecture 3 of this course. Project charter has been supplied on this project as a statement of the objectives. The statement also been sets out the detailed project goals, rules, and responsibilities, identifies the stakeholder, and the level of authority of project management.
In this project, WBS, which is the work breakdown structure, has been applied. Work breakdown structure is a very important engineering management tool. It is divisible, oriented, decompose the project into small components. It is important, that's because it also can help to organize the group works into small manageable sections. However, work breakdown structure is not enough for each group member to know what they need to do. In this condition, RACI is very important. RACI for R is responsible, A accountable, C consulted, and I informed. RACI matrix consists of two parts, which is X and the Y-axis. X-axis is OBS, which is organizational breakdown structure, and the Y-axis is work breakdown structure.